Magic vending machine. Give me a Sprite. Insert $10. $10? What? Where do I even put it? Oh, look. Machine. That's supposed to be magical and vending. Give me my Sprite now. Say the magic word. Please. That's not the magic word. What is it then? Duh. Abracadabra. Why do you have such a humanly voiced vending magical machine? Oh, I'm just gonna pull the button. Where is it? Hey! Give me my Sprite! Oh, that's it. I think I'm gonna shake it from behind. What the? What are you doing back here? Get back here! Oh, bongos! I guess I'll just have to get him another time.
A few moments later.
Just adjust it a little bit. Perfect. And now for the finishing touch. Perfect. Oh, one more thing. No time to decorate. Oh, I should probably hire that bongo player. And here we go. Bongo time. Oh, perfect. Some animal named Bongos plays the bongos. Well, okay then. Call. Yes, hello, is this Bongos? It depends who's asking. Okay, well, I need a bongo player. I get my bongos ready. Where are you? I'm in the mall. On Paul Street. Yep, 15 Paul Street. Okay, see you then. I need my bongos. Bongos is here. Oh, yes, hello, Bongos. You can set up right there. And why do you have all that stuff in your bag? Do I get a lunch break? Yeah, I guess. Then that's why. Do not question Bongos. Okay, then. I'm gonna go grab a few things and you can just set up over there. Bongos make the place look nicer. Oh, perfect. Here's your food, Sir Bongos. Oh, yes, Platty. Go put it over there, please. Thank you. Bye. Okay, Sir Bongos. I'm back. I couldn't find it. What did you do, Bongos? I make a place look better. Okay, looks good. Bongos! Yes? What'd you do to my sign? You wrote like a kindergartner. Did your B's backwards, your Z's backwards. And, was has an S in it, not a Z. And here is spelled H-E-R-E, not H-E-R-I-E. Oh, okay. And why is there a sandcastle over there? Bongos! Okay, I gotta say, what the? Why is there a platypus eating ice cream? What? Patty! No, what? What? I'm opening in 5 minutes. I need to practice. Platty, you're fired! I'm not taking this ice cream with me! And this too. And we're open. Hey, new fortune teller shop. Oh, that was the girl that found me behind the vending machine when I tried to take everybody's money. I mean, I'm in a hat, and I'm going to talk in a foreign accent, maybe? Maybe she won't recognize me. Hello, what would you like? Man, this guy's accent is weird. I need help with something. Bongos! Oh, double tap that. Yes, I love Instagram. I love it. Bongos! Yeah! Oh, my bongos. Sorry. Oh, bongos. Oh, wait, sorry. Okay. What do you want? Do what I heard for you. And, wait, what? Just play the bongos, okay? I'm gonna go. Bye. Bongos, stop daydreaming. Next, please. Hey. Hello, how may I help you? Why does everybody keep trying to eat me? I don't really know. It's like a cupcake. One day you will find a guy in a pink hat and ask him a question. Wow, how'd you do that? You gotta be kidding me right now. You know, practice training. I'm a psychic. Cool, a psychic? For what superhero? No, a psychic. Yeah, for what superhero? A psychic! That's what I said. A psychic. Are you a psychic? Like, for a superhero? I can't believe I have to put up with people like this. Yep, psychic for Batman. Wow, you just made my day. Thanks, bye. You have to pay me. Here you go. I'm so done here.